Using blocks in AI Connect. Blocks are the code or command used to create a program in AI Connect. We can add and remove blocks from our program in AI Connect. Adding a block. To add a block in AI Connect, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open editor and go to the block palette. Step 2. Select a category and click on it to see all the blocks falling under the category. Step 3. Click and hold on the block that we want to add in our script. Step 4. Drag the block to the script area while holding it. Removing a block. To remove a block in AI Connect, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click and hold on the block from script area that you want to remove. Step 2. Drag it towards the dustbin icon on the bottom right corner of the script area and drop it. Or Step 1. Drag the set of blocks back to the block palette and drop them.